Look what I got. Look what I got. You already know what the N stand for, right? Alright, so look at this. Just look at the packaging. The packaging in itself is just enough to just take a moment of silence to look at. Let's just take a moment of silence for the packaging. Let's just observe it. Observation. You see that? That's the front, side, back. Look at that. Look at that, buddy. Look at that. There goes the book. Look at that. Other side. There goes the end. Let's go back to the front. So cute. Alright. So of course I have this little tab. You know what, guys? Before we finish this, let me show y'all something. I'm excited because I have some other Made by Nature products that I love. Like I actually think I have the blush on right now. Like if y'all can see like the shimmer here and on my nose. Oh, I love it. Like, so I'm about to show you guys my Made by Nature collection real quick. Hold on. Okay, so here is my collection on so far. Let me zoom out. My TV is so loud in the back. All this stuff is like super fire. And I love this lip body. I'm excited to see that I got some more stuff to add to my collection. Let's pull this out. This is the Glow Baby Glow. And this is the Baby Bits and Bops. I'm sorry, I'm saying. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. You guys see this packaging? It's hot. It's a blush. Bit My Tongue Baked Luminous Blusher. Okay. And I'm gonna open it so y'all can see. So you press it in here. Ooh, that looks so pretty. I can't wait. Can y'all see that? Isn't that pretty? I don't even want to mess it up. Okay, I'll fit it right here. Can y'all see that on my skin? That is gonna be so pretty. Blush. I love you so much. That's what it says. So this is the one that I have, the other one that I love, that I use a lot. So that's that. Bits and bobs. I love you so much. Let's open it. I just love the packaging. You see that? Look how pretty this is. It's just cute. Just cuteness. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love you so much. So cute. When I put this on, this was the other one. That Bit My Tongue. This is I Love You So Much. ILYM. And ILYM. These colors, these pinks. Oh, so pretty. Okay. These two, some Blush Bomb. Just look at this packaging. How cute. Is it raining? It's not like it's raining outside. Here's the Blush Bomb. Yep, yapper. It's definitely raining outside. Cream blusher. Oh, look at that. Oh, damn, see these colors. So pretty on my skin. So if you're my skin tone, this is, and you're looking for some nice pinks. Like, woo, look at this. I need to show you the brush. Look at that. Y'all, please stop playing. Look at the brush. Y'all, why is this stuff so cute? Oh, so cute, guys. Stop it. Look. So cute. Like, let's go put this on the shelf with the rest of the stuff. Let me show y'all.